Umengameli uRamaphosa uthi nakuba impilo yabantu seyiguquke kakhulu uma kuqhathaniswa nesikhathi sencindezelo, kodwa kusekuningi okusamele kubhekane nakho, okufaka phakathi ukungalingani.
Inequality, poverty, unemployment, violence, and social discord affect the lives of millions of South Africans and hold back our country's progress.
Uphakamise nokuthi kumele kubhungwe ngokunyuka kwezibalo zabantu abangasebenzi kuleli nokungalethwa kwentuthuko ebantwini, lokhu okufakazelwe imiphumela yokhetho lwango-2024.
In many areas, we have seen a deterioration in governance, a decline in the delivery of services, and widespread corruption and the wastage of public resources.
Kanti-ke udonse ngendlebe amalungu alenkulumo ngxoxo ngokuthi angavumeli ukuthi iphenduke inkundla yokuqolodelana ngezombusazwe.
We have been clear that this dialogue must be as inclusive as possible. It cannot be partisan. It cannot favor one group or perspective over another.
I-National Dialogue izoqala mhla ziyi-15 kuNcwaba.